before I go start, you know what I'm saying, third upload. Peace, your boy sees I'm back in whenever, you know what I'm saying, third. This is my first ever third upload today. You know what I'm saying? Because I've been staying in the hotel, you know what I'm saying? Because my mom, she's in Brooklyn right now, but yeah, though. Bro, I have no patience right now, bro. I'm finna go use the subway for the first time by myself. I know, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I'm very confident. I know how to use the subway. I've been here so many times, I get used to it. So we finna go to the stadium, because if y'all know what this stadium is, it's a big resale thing so where these athletes, celebrities, all type of artists, rappers, NBA players. It's on YouTube. If you search up Complex on YouTube, you're gonna see it. It's not just a stadium. They go to Flight Club. Flight Club's in New York, but we're gonna stadium because it's a stadium. But if I was to walk, it's like an hour. But if I take the train, it's like an 18 minutes. So this is gonna be my first time. I exactly know I'm going. I just need to get money for my Metro card, but though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, though. And I got charged or something, so I ain't sure. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I've been in New York somewhere. Now I can go to the subway by myself. This is gonna be my first official time going by myself, man. Damn. I'm mad personally. I get right when I get to that other side. I ain't gonna lie, I need to use my GPS to go to this train station, but yeah, it said it was like 18 minutes. I'm already at the station, but I seen like delays and shit, but what the hell? First now I need to get money from my Metro card, because I got a Metro card, well, my mom has it. There's money, I don't got my own. You know what I'm saying? Well, I got a Metro card, but that shit expired. Been expired, but yeah. So we need to get this. Oh my gosh, it's not cooking. But yeah, though. Where is the? Oh, we gotta go this. Oh, we gotta go this one. Yeah. So I'm currently waiting. I wish this shirt don't work. Oh, hold up. Oh, no bills. Oh, I don't know no bills. Fuck it. I gotta use my card. You know what I'm saying? Got the message card. Yeah, though. I ain't gonna, I'm still stuck. I'm thinking it's gonna be the cakewalk, but I still can't find the train I'm supposed to be on. What the fuck? Damn. I literally wasted my money for this for no reason, man. Fuck, bro, that shit crazy, bro. I'm thinking, I walked in here so confidently, thinking I know I'm gonna go. Nope. I think I just know how to get to one place. It's Brooklyn, but yeah. That's it. I think I'm finna go back, because I do not want to get lost in this motherfucker, bro. At all, bro. I'm not saying I only spent $4 or $5 on the Metro card. It's like, damn. I think the only way I can get on the subway is fucking to Brooklyn. That's easy, because I'll go to all the time to see my family together. Other than that, no. I'm really wasting my money. I ain't gonna lie. It wasn't a lot of fucking, I don't care, but man. Jeez, now I gotta leave. Damn. It's crazy, man. I exactly know what this thumbnail time finna be easily. That security guard did not help. Fuck that nigga, bro. Now I'm finna leave. Go back to the hotel. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna get some water. Mad thirsty. Ooh, feels great in here. Yeah, though. I'm gonna get some Walgreens from this Walgreens. Yeah, I'm mad thirsty. Shit. Where the water? Oh, it's all the way down there. Jeez. Water mad good, bro. I swear to God, I haven't had these in so long, man. Damn, I'm so sweaty. I can't wait to take my shirt off. Yeah. I really want to go to the stadium because fuck. I don't even know where I'm going right now, bro. This shit crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just doing shit. I don't know. Oh, damn. What is that? Yeah, though. Walk. What the fuck is walk? Y'all can't see a walk to walk. I don't know. See, it's crazy, though. Man, I'm just bored out my mind. Food, man. Straight food, bro. Like, what I mean by that is like food gates, bro. Like, why would they put Yeezys outside of a street in Manhattan? Like, come on, bro. Like, that is mad crazy, bro. Shit. I don't know. I wanted to get something to eat, but my mom said
we gotta wait until what's it called? There's a Chinese food I ate like 2 years ago, and it's very good. And we gotta wait until she comes back, bro. I'm literally hungry. I still can get a quick bite to eat. Real shit, pizza. That's not even really gonna fill me up. Or I can get a hot dog stand like right there. Where'd it go? Yeah, right there. I still can get some hot dogs. You know, I might. I'm really bored out of my mind. I want to go to stadium, but I don't know what training was. Like, niggas was not helping at all, bro. Fuck. How am I gonna say I want to go to New York by myself if I can't get on the subway by myself? Not yet. I can. There's a place I can get to. If I also go to see my family, like in Brooklyn, I exactly know where to go. I feel like to Brooklyn is more like easier because like there's only two ways. You know what I'm saying? It says downtown Brooklyn, but well, where to go is to Manhattan. There's different parts, so I don't know. But yeah, it's crazy. So it is what it is, bro. I still can't walk there. Hold on, I'm gonna check the GPS. Yeah. Shit didn't even have hot dogs, but I ain't gonna lie. I just need a quick bite. See, I'm not gonna eat anything. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get. I might eat that pizza place again, or I can just get some Chick-fil-A. I can get that at the crib. But I might just get some pizza again. There's another shoe store. It's like the same, it's called Flight Club. I'm gonna go to Flight Club because that's closer. It's like 30-minute walk. I can do that shit easily. That's nothing, bro. I ran that shit before. But yeah, I can do that. But I ain't gonna. I'm finna upload this video and go to. Bro, that's crazy. They twinning. They real deal twinning. Look at that. 2 AMGs. It's crazy. But what's called? Yeah, I'ma wait. And what you gonna call it? Yeah. And I need to charge my phone again. Yeah, you better not go, bitch ass nigga. He's trying to run me over, bro. Like, shit crazy. Look like it's about to rain again. Oh shit, tweet.